right guys, look what I just garbage picked. It looks pretty clean. The woman down the street, they're doing a full renovation of the entire house. They're gutting it and just throwing everything out, and I just saw this on the sides. I asked if I can grab it. She said go ahead. So yeah, it's in great condition, honestly. As you can see, some dust from the construction, but everything works fine. Close out. Yeah. Check that out. There's a second door. I honestly thought that second door was missing, but it was just stuck behind there. So cool. Oh, she looks nice and pretty. All right, so my plan with this is to throw up online for like $100, and then if someone buys for like $50, I'd be like, oh, I guess I'll let it go for $50, but I'd be very happy with $50. But I'll do some more research online to see how much these actually go for, and if I can put it up higher, cool. But yeah, honestly, I'll be okay for $50 as long as I pick it up. So I'm gonna go bring this inside right now, stage it somewhere in the house to make it look good, take some pictures, and then yeah.
Alright guys, so this is what the listing looks like on Facebook Marketplace. I usually list it a lot higher than I originally wanted, and then I immediately drop the price down. By doing so, it makes it look like that I'm trying to get rid of it fast. There's a method I do with cars or any big ticket items that I sell. Here are the photos, and I usually try to do as much measurements as possible because I don't want to get all those silly questions, you know. But someone's always going to ask them, even though you put it in the listing. We'll see. Hopefully on Monday this thing gets sold.
Sit. Good boy. Charles, pound it. Good. Oh, good boy. I'll be back. Sorry, buddy. All right, it's a new day. Finally gonna get this bike fixed. Basically, I messed up the free hub in the rear. The cassette is over there, as you can see right there. But I have no experience how to repair this because I tried to repair it. Didn't go so well. Tried to get warranty work. Didn't go so well. So I'm gonna fork over the money and have someone work on it. So I found a guy in my local mountain biking group, and he said to bring it over, have him check it out, and hopefully he doesn't charge me some outrageous rate. Trying to wiggle this and all the other bikes. I need to invest in a bike rack for this car. I can either do top mount, but that may be kind of hard to load a bike up there. So I need to buy the tow hitch for the back so then I can throw up rear mount. But that just means more money, and yeah, it's fun. I'm just kidding, guys. Well, actually, I'm probably just gonna leave it there. Okay, so a little backstory on what happened with the mountain bike. I kind of broke it by sending it too hard on the trails. Like, I think I'm a decent rider. I still have a long ways to go for improvement wise, but just being careless and, you know, smacking against rocks and everything when I take turns and all that jazz. So it's been bashed up pretty hard. So basically my rear wheel was wobbling. I've straightened it out myself. I had other shops straighten it out and everything, but the shifting was never right. It got to a point where my wheel actually had play even though my axle was tight. So I dug a little deeper and then I realized it was my hub and that my hub was loose. Ended up taking it apart and couldn't put it back together properly. So I'm just gonna bite the bullet and just have a shop work on it and spend the money and get it done right. But right now we're about 11 minutes away from this guy's shop. I think it's just his garage, so hopefully it does go work. I did not want to spend full shop prices because it's ridiculous, they upcharge. So all right, we'll be right back. All right, we are here. Little baby, nice and safe. Again, I'm just messing, guys. Here's the girl.
Let's see what you got.
All right. The cassette is in the car right now, so I just
Okay.
put it drop. So there's.
Yeah, the double rows.
Okay, so it's supposed to be like that, double all the way around.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
Yeah.
I wasn't sure because I thought maybe they actually fit in here because they do fit. Look, they seem like they fit perfectly in there. So that's why I thought.
See that flat spot where my finger's touching?
Yeah.
That's where they should be.
Okay. Oh, and that's basically how it rolls.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it rides on that chamfer. See that silver spot?
Mm-hmm.
Where the bearings ride? So
Okay.
they need to be reset in grease and then just popped it back together.
So is it just literally add bearings, clean it up, add bearings, grease, put it back together?
Yeah. And then and torque it right so the bearings aren't too tight.
Yeah, so that's what I noticed too, because I just was trying to do as best as I can by putting on, taking it off, and then feeling the
Yeah.
friction against it.
Because what you got is, so you're gonna tighten the axle to where it feels right.
Yeah.
Then this is your cinch nut.
Okay.
So like when you tighten this on there, or lock nut, I guess, that's gonna lock it and keep it from moving.
Yeah, because
That makes
I
sense?
felt the play.
Yeah,
Like
that's
that.
what you're basically setting as the end play.
Okay.
So if you ever do anything like that, that's what you're
Okay.
trying to set as the end play.
Yeah.
But yeah, let me get to it.
Yeah.
I will take it apart, count the balls, make sure they're all there or not there, and then go from there with it.
All right, so that guy was pretty cool. We talked for about 45 minutes. I don't know if it's just me, but I have a tendency that I over talk so much when I meet new people, especially when we vibe. But nonetheless, he's gonna work on the hubs. Fingers crossed that all the parts are available. He does a good job and that the price is very reasonable. So I'll see you guys when the bike is all done.